Which brings us all the way back to that hook at the very beginning of our explainer. What does it actually cost to outsource your CTO? Well, according to VinHub Labs, for $700 a month, you aren't just getting web hosting. You are getting an entire digital growth team. From the underlying code all the way to the final customer conversion, they engineer the complete ecosystem. This entire pricing structure perfectly mirrors the overarching VinHub Labs philosophy. Step 1. Elevate your brand with premium web design and custom software. Step 2. Optimize your operations with CRM integrations and totally hands-off technical management. And Step 3. Scale your business with automated growth funnels, continuous A/B testing, and aggressive marketing. It's literally a step-by-step roadmap to building high-performance automated revenue systems. So I want to leave you with this. Take a hard look at your own business right now. Where are your actual bottlenecks? Are you stuck doing basic WordPress updates when you really should be out there closing deals? Do you have traffic that just isn't converting because your CRM isn't actually talking to your front end? Decide what stage of the journey you're currently on and ask yourself, is it time to stop just building websites and start engineering a real digital ecosystem? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and keep building.
Elevate. Optimize.